My nigga.
If poison should expire, does it become less poisonous or more poisonous?
First blood.
Think about your life.
Hey, bro, come on now, dog.
Continue.
One thing I like about myself is that I'm a man that has a lot of patience. Like, no matter the situation, I'm always very, very patient.
Now, so what?
And that got me thinking that because I have a lot of patience,
Okay.
does that make me a
Let's have it. Let's have it. Let's have it.
doctor?
This one is one of us.
Bruh.
Number one bullshit guy. You get it? Come on, man.
Continue.
I know of one queen. In fact, I know this queen personally. And she's so addicted to the color green. Like, she likes any and everything color green.
Okay.
And that got me thinking that because she likes the color green and she's always wearing green, can we call her
Run. Hey, y'all, come look at this.
chloroquine?
What do you say?
Chloroquine?
You see how the mothers just graduate, they go up.